Let's read words today. Tony shows the fun way. Letters join and make a sound. Happy learning all around. Hip, hip, hooray! Cut a teeth, the word is cat. Tony reads it just like that. Cute little cat says meow. We can read it too right now. Learning feels so great. D-O-G, the word is dog. Running fast through the fog. Tony reads it loud and clear. Simple words we love to hear. Learning like a log. Apple red and apple sweet. Tony reads it as a treat. Up-a-pullily we say, learning words in fun way. Reading can't be beat. Car, a moving car. Driving near and going far. Tony reads and smiles wide. Words are fun to learn with pride. Shining like a star. Blend the letters, make a word. Tony listens what he heard. Sounds come together fast. Learning skills that always last. Joyful reading world. Pick the word and say it right. Tony learns with full delight. Choose the one that sounds the same. Reading is a fun game. Shining big and bright. Read it fast and read it clear. Tony shows without a fear. Words are flying all around. Happy reading can be found. Happy reading can be found. Happy reading can be found. Give a big loud cheer. Golden star for reading well. Tony learns and starts to tell. Simple words he understands. Clap for him with happy hands. Doing really swell. Keep on reading every day. Words will guide you on your way. Reading always